Good morning, everyone. I'm super excited to share the success story of how I traded NIO during 2020 when the stock was like $2-3, and how I made million plus dollar, almost a million and a half actually. That was my huge portfolio, and what a great journey I had. I did move a lot of that money to real estate and all. So, but couple of years following, I tried to replicate the same trade, but I was unsuccessful because of the trend that NIO was going downhill. I know people have suffered losses and all. Again, take this. This is not a financial advice or anything. This is just my personal trade. What I did in 2020, how I made $1 million, and what I am seeing now, the potential in front of our eyes, how we can replicate that one. So I want to quickly share. This is my screen actually. If you see 1,029,000, almost it was at one point, it was like 1.3 million, and I had another 300 400k in Webull also. That was a big journey. Most of my money that I made was in NIO. That was the huge portfolio I had. If I show you my transactions, gosh, I had to scroll through like 1,000 pages here. That was the only thing I did during 2020s actually. I started with little quantity, 50 quantities, bought 50, sold 50. So it was a huge win. That's where my journey started in December of 2020, if I remember, or 2019. So going into 2020, stock was literally at $3 or $3.20. Guys, it's huge. The money I made was ridiculous at the time. I used to enter in 200 quantities, 300 quantities, 500, 1,000. Was like a dream come true for me, the way I was predicting, and how that's how, and the market was bull too. And because I entered at the right time when the market crashed, and NIO was releasing a brand new cars, and it was gaining a lot of momentum. If you see how I was making just buy sell, it's a great feeling actually, because everything was working fine. Again, when you're guessing and things are working your way, it's an amazing feeling. There was situations where I was selling for 100k. The portfolio was literally doing 100k, 200k up and down, and I had faith in this stock because of the positive news that was coming out of this stock at that time. And literally, I'll show you one of my trade. See, this one's 100,000, where I sold for 95k. This is, you don't believe, like it was just a phenomenal things at that time when I was trading actually. So yeah, all these trades, 80, 90, back to back sales and all. So what am I trying to tell? I feel that we have a similar potential opportunity for NIO to fly back into what it was doing in 2020, 2021s. The reason is that the new set of products that NIO is releasing, onvo and other things, how it's competing against one of the top killer like Tesla and all. So I have a feeling that this stock has a potential to go back in the near term to $8 to $10. It's just my feeling. I know there's a lot of bears attacking it big time and all. Again, everybody should watch and play to whatever they have ability to lose or win. They should know how much they can afford to lose. But I do feel that it has a huge potential to go back with the way we are getting the news on onvo and the various other things from Chinese market and how they're expanding globally and all. So huge potential. So again, I have entered myself with December and Jan call options, some bunch of things. So close to 1,400 options. So I see a huge potential in the near term, the way the positive news coming up. Let's hope for the best that this time I'm right, because I'm in losing trend for a couple of years, betting on certain stocks, and I've been losing money. But I hope that this can turn around this time and bring back that losses for a couple of years I'm seeing. Hope to replicate what I did in 2020. So NIO is the one thing huge I'm betting on. And the other one is NIO's brother, xpev. Xpeng is also a huge thing. I think I'm in October options for almost 200 plus options on those things. So far it's making 6,400. I see this one reaching $11-12. With the momentum it has, $11, unless something crazy goes on in the market and all. Again, just want to share. I want you guys to make your own due diligence. Don't take this what I had success in previous doesn't mean that I'm gonna replicate the same. It's just my gut feeling based on what I have done previously in the years. Let me know what do you all think. Has it got a potential to reach $12 for xpeng and NIO, $8 to $10 by January 2025? Let's make money. This is what I want to share with you guys. Follow for more updates from me, how my portfolio is doing and all. Thank you.